Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, open any type of preferred browser and search for Call of Duty Black Ops 6 download. Now open the first link from the search results, and this web page will be displayed. Here, click on the Purchase Now button and two plans will be displayed. You can then select the preferred plan and then choose the target platform. Once done, click on the Buy button, click on Next, and then enter the required payment information. After you complete it, you'll be able to download it. Another way of downloading the game is through Steam. Simply open the Steam app and make sure you're signed in. After that, search for Black Ops 6 and enter your age. Once done, you will be able to select any one of the available plans. After selecting one, click on View My Cart, and then click on the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to select the payment method and then enter the required information. You can then follow the on-screen instructions and download it. And that's basically how you can download Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.